Welcome to Edsembli Human Resources and Payroll, an HRP solution purposefully built for education. Edsembli HRP manages all aspects of an employee's life cycle, from hire to retire. For today's video, we're going to explore the powerful hire management features of Edsembli HRP. Onboarding new employees with Edsembli HRP is easy. Our platform supports integrations with popular applicant tracking solutions, like Apply to Education. There's no need to enter data twice when you can integrate by simply clicking on Import New Hires. And once imported, you can search the applicant records to narrow your search and sort by any of the column headings. You can view or modify the information for the applicant, including any certificates and degrees. Plus, you can even add attachments. When you are ready, select Add New Employee to launch the Add New Employee wizard. This step-by-step wizard will walk you through all the minimum required fields to provision an employee record. The data from the applicant tracking system will automatically map to the appropriate fields, leaving HR to fill in the rest. You will notice that the employee number is automatically assigned. Complete all the required fields such as location, employee group, SIN, and other employee details. Whether they are an educator, if they've been verified, or if they have supervisor privileges like approving absences or timesheets. You can add an emergency contact at this time or let the employee add them later. That's it. The new employee record will be provisioned and will catch any data entry errors, such as incorrect SIN number or birth dates, allowing you to go back and correct them. Tune in to our next video where we will look at the Employee Spotlight, a 360-degree view of the employee on one screen. To find out more on Edsembli's Human Resources and Payroll solution for your school district, get in touch with an Edsembli HRP specialist today.